Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Solana, of course, your daily update. I wanted to give you my thoughts on Solana today. I mean, it's been quite bullish. I mean, after I made the video yesterday about that I expected some sort of a breakout from Solana, the market obviously, well, a lot happened since then. Back then, we already had quite a lot of news. Right now, Bitcoin is even more volatile. All right, we had some strong volatility yesterday evening, and then this morning we spiked up to 49,000. So Solana reacted to that as well. I mean, Solana historically has always been quite correlated to Bitcoin. All right, so if Bitcoin moves, Solana moves. If we take a look at the correlation right now, I would say it's not that high. All right, on the last 7 days average, it's not that high. Last 30 days, also not that high. So historically, Solana is correlated, and that's still very important. But right now, we seem to be fine. So I wanted to give you my thoughts on Solana. I mean, I always look at the fundamentals for Solana, so how it's doing in terms of network statistics. I wanted to skip that this time around. I don't think that's necessary to check out every time. The last couple of days, and that's still the situation, fundamentally, I think Solana has weakened a bit, all right? That's just my view on it right now. If you want the numbers on that, check out my video yesterday. So that's clear, but that doesn't mean that technically Solana is bearish, right? I mean, Solana technically is still, it's neutral, all right? It's moving between the main resistance at 106.5 or a little bit higher, maybe around 108 maybe. It's moving between that resistance and then the major support between 90 and 85. That's what it's doing. The ADX is below 20, so that indicates that there's no trend, and you can also quite clearly see it. The EMAs are also flat right here. So that's the situation for Solana, and I see that Injective has dropped down quite a bit, but that doesn't matter. So yeah, that's the situation for Solana. I mean, we have had some open interest gains, right? Today we actually had a pretty decent open interest gain over the course of the afternoon. And that's also when Solana went up to 107. So then it tried to break out. And in the end, what we want to see is Solana break above 108. Because if it breaks above that and it's able to get a bullish breakout, then Solana is bullish. We'll get up to 125 and maybe even higher. But the main question always is this most likely right now? I would 100% say at this moment still that this is more likely than a bearish breakout below 85 or $90. But then again, at this moment as well, I think Bitcoin is quite weak. All right, Bitcoin is dropping down quite hard, I would say, and altcoins are reacting. So I expect Solana to react as well. So at this moment, I would actually say that it's most likely that the current market structure, which is a consolidation, is most likely to hold. All right, so that means Solana will probably test the bottom, or maybe a little bit higher at $92 perhaps. There's some strong support there. So I think it's more likely that Solana will drop down now and just test support. But in the end, you should know that I'm more bullish on Solana than bearish. It's just, you know, I'm trying to be honest with you, and I want to tell you that we can get a bullish breakout and head up to 125. But at this moment, that's not most likely. It's most likely that Solana will just, you know, that we just found significant resistance, that Bitcoin will drop back down to the bottom of the range, and that Solana will drop back down to its bottom of the range as well. All right, so that's those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. Don't forget to check out my own premium and signal group, but that's for you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.